Back to the ball game. Magallanes tumanggap ng bola. Magallanes pass to Acasio. Back to Magallanes. Magallanes dito na tres. Acasio libre sa corner. No good. Rebound ni Chado sa Tambayan. Chado dito makakain. Outlet pass. Robleza may hawak ng bola. Robleza driving. 12 to shoot. Drop pass. Pinchado. Assist by Icon. Magallanes ngayon may hawak ng bola.
5 minutes.
Acasio, pass to the corner, three. Satlon, no good. Robleza, Robleza. Pass to Icon. Foul. Mike Magallanes. 20. Mike, anong number mo, Mike? 28. First personal foul, first team foul.
Bibigyan mo kami ganyan.
Ano natin ito eh, pang best player.
Dami naman yan eh.
Shooting on board.
Best player ka ba? Kahit lang pag best player kayo.
Opo. Best player lang kumain. Meron ba nun?
Kanina, binibigay ko. Icon, second shot. Is good. Jeremy press, no good. Rebound. 25. On.
Bago may asin.
Robleza nagdadala ng bola. 14 to shoot. Pass to Icon. Pass to Chado. Pass to Robleza sa gitna. Assist by Chado. Matambayan. 2 points for Robleza. Mike doesn't take a three. Foul. Icon. 24. Ilang foul na si 24? First personal foul, second. First team foul. Score is cut down by 5. Shot clock is set at 12. Mike tumanggap na bola. 10 to shoot. Mike pass to Jello. 7 to shoot. Jello, long three. Jello 3. 33 to 25 ang score. Lamang ang walo ang Team Blue. Robleza umawak ng bola. 15 to shoot. Robleza. 11 to shoot. Robleza. Stealing. Floater is good for Robleza. To shoot. Mike pass to Kurt. Kurt takes a three. No good. Medyo malapit si Kurt. Robleza may hawak ng bola. 17 to shoot. Robleza spinning. Driving. Bumping. Pass to Chado. Bomba! Foul. Chado, first shot. No good. Chado, second shot. Second shot ni Chado.
Basketball mo po niya.
No good. Rebound Kurt. Binigay kay Jello. Jello takes another three. No good this time. Outlet pass to Robleza. Bumping, spinning. No good. Rebound, Denzel pass to Kurt. Kurt going all the way. Floater for Kurt. No good. Save. Good. Recovered by Numbre. Pass to Chado. Chado going all the way. Against Kurt. Foul. Kurt. Pass. Kurt, number mo, Kurt. 15. Kailan si Kurt? First personal foul, second team foul.
Grabe.
First shot for Chado. Wala raw sabi. Patunayan mo mali.
Wala daw.
You're wrong. ball. Second shot for Chado. Is good. Tama rep.
Gagalit siya, guys. Yan na, either first.
17 to shoot. Kurt, may hawak ng bola. Kurt finds Mike. Mike, 10 to shoot. Mike, pass to Kurt, 6 to shoot. Kurt, jumper is good. Andito ba si Ate Pao? Ate Pao, nandito ka ba?
Ayun o, naka-ano.
Kaway ka naman kung nandito ka pa. Assist by Icon. 2 points for Chado. 22 seconds remaining. What's the call? Tapik daw. Chado, ingat-ingat. Remember last year. 3 points for Jello.
Uy, Alvin! Grabe, no? Umiinit eh, no?
38 to 31 ang score. Icon pass to Robesa.
Jello, si Jello.
Bumping. Reverse is good for Robesa. Kamada daw, Kurt. Kamada.
Kamada, si
Kamada,
Kurt.
Kurt.
Kurt, akaso.
70 to shoot. Kick out to the corner. Si Magallanes. Magallanes 3. Robesa bring down the ball. 18 to shoot. Robesa loses the ball. Who's ball rep? Green ball. Pakak. Ganda daw. Sino maganda kume? Ano maganda? Kume. Ano maganda? O sino maganda?
Haters versus haters.
Our score 41 to 35 in favor of Team Blue. Kurt pass to Jello. Jello takes a three. No good. Way off. Chado bring down the ball. Chado foul. Number 15. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Wala pa. Third pa kuya. Third pa.
Take five.
Take five. Ate pa, saan ka? Sabi ko nandito.
Haters.
Ayun! Okay. Special announcement po tayo mamaya at halftime.
Inuman daw sa bahay ni Ate Pao. Mamayang gabi, pagkatapos ng liga.
Nag-chat po saan si Ate Pao, sabi niya magpapatak ng makalan daw siya. Sagot na rin mo yung pulutan. EJ pinasa kay Bob. EJ, pass to number 15. 15, pass to Kuya Noy, no good. Huli ka kay Kuya Ama. Lenching recovers the ball. Knock, ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Knock.
Knock, man.
Pinasa kay Lenching, driving. Pass to Kuya Ama. No good. Tapit. Loose ball, red. Green ball. Ate pa, we'll be waiting later ha. 8 p.m. sharp. Inuman daw magdamag, uwian ng 2 tomorrow. EJ pass to Bob, 16 to shoot. EJ, takes a 3. No good. Rebound Kuya Noy, kick out to Kuya Bob takes a 3. No good. Rebound Kuya Aman. Kuya, binigay kay Kenneth. Kenneth ngayon, nagdadala ng bola. Kenneth, pass to Knock, pass to Kuya Aman. Medyo napitawa, pero na-recover. Kenneth takes a long 3. Way off. Who's ball rep? Who's ball? Blue ball. Shot clock is at 7. Time remaining in the second quarter. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Jerby, 2 points is good. Sino pumasok nun? Sino pumasok? Oh, Kuya Aman assist. EJ, pick up the ball. Hakeem, mayroon na bola. EJ driving on the left. No foul. Who's foul? 27. First,
26, oy, 27. Foul. Ilang foul?
warning for penalty, blue. William T, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. EJ second shot, no good. Rebound, Jervy T. Jervy T passes to Kuya Aman Malyari. Foul. EJ, first personal foul. First team foul. Our score 43-36, the Mangon Team Blue. Shot clock is at 18. Kenneth doesn't take a three. Pass to Jervy. Jab steps. 14 to shoot. Jervy. Pass to. No look. Pass to. Knock. 10 to shoot. Knock. Binigay kay Jervy. Pass to Kuya Aman. Pass to Lenching. No good. Rebound. Kapit ni Kuya Aman. 20 to shoot. Knock. Reset ng shot. Jervy doesn't take a mid-range. Floater is good for Jervy T. Knock. 15 pass to EJ. For the cutting, Kuya Noy doesn't get it to go. Kenneth going all the way. Doesn't get it to go. EJ ngayon may hawak ng bola. EJ driving. Bump again. Slipping. Offensive foul. Our score, 2 minutes and 48 seconds in the second quarter. Ay, score ulit. Time pala, sorry. Score 45-36, lamang ng 9 ang Team Blue. Rebound, William T. 2 points.
Timeout sila, Smugglers.
May isa pa kami, di ba?
15 passes to Kuya Bob, tries a 3. No good. William T. Pinasa kay Kenneth.
Basketball, timeout ka na. Basketball, dead ball, timeout ka na.
Knock, pinasa kay Jervy, grab into the paint. Kick out to Kenneth tries a 3. No good. Rebound, number 15. Number 15 pushing down the ball. Number 15 pass to Kuya Bob's in the corner. No good. Rebound EJ. No good. Rebound Kenneth pushing down the ball. 3v1 situation. Kenneth. Drop pass to Kuya Aman. Scoring by Kuya Aman. Pass to Kenneth might take a 3. Doesn't take a 3. Pinoy step in. 2 points for Kenneth. That's assist. Our score 51-36 in favor of Team Blue. EJ binigyan him. Drop pass to number 15. Assist by Timeout, Blue. Time remaining 1 minute and 26 seconds. Knock, natuturo.
Knock, man.
19 to shoot. Kuya Aman tries a 3. No good. Rebound Kenneth. No good. Rebound saved by Kuya Noy. Recovered by EJ. EJ pushing down the ball. Turning on the Jets. EJ layup is no good. Rebound EJ pa rin. EJ foul. And one. Who's foul rep? 37. 20 daw. First personal foul. Penalty na po ang Team Blue. Our score 51-40. Bonus shot is no good. Time remaining last 1 minute of the second quarter. Knock, agad na papasan. 15 to shoot. Hindi shoot ng bonus shot. Galing kick Knock, fake, 7 to shoot. Finds Lenching tries a 3. No good. Rebound. What's the call rep? Pushing foul. Kenneth Talose.
Ayos ka.
Penalty. Hindi, ano ba? Penalty nga.
Penalty.
Kenneth Talose, first personal foul.
Penalty.
First shot for Kuya Noy is good. shots are good for Kuya Noy. Knock-knock tumanggap. 42 seconds remaining. Kenneth tumanggap. 18 to shoot. Our score 51-42 in favor of Team Blue pa rin. Jervy, screen. Muntik na magawa ni EJ. 8 to shoot. Nagaw ni Kuya Bob. Pass to Hakim. Hakim, pass to EJ. EJ all the way. No good. Kuya Aman tumanggap. 18 to shoot. Kuya Aman going all the way. No good. Tapik. Jervy recovers the ball. Short. Rebound Lenching. Lenching. Miss foul rim. 15. 15. Ilang foul yung 15? Prince, ilang foul yung 15? Tulala. Second personal foul. Bonus shot is good. 9 seconds remaining. 7,